painting it so it looks nice. And it's going to dry out and it's going to be very clear.
Like a board?
Like a board, yeah.
It's like a board? Like a board, it just dried off? Yeah, like that? You put some I am making it like that. Okay, can I do it?
Just one try, okay?
Can you try it?
Okay, here you go. It's called the Mod Podge. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Okay, can your mommy do it now? Yeah, we gotta make it even, bud.
They're even.
Okay, let me try it.
If it's odd.
Oh.
If it's odd.
It's even. It's not odd and even.
Odd and even is not mixed up.
Okay.
Can I get some?
I got the rest. Thank you.
That's a lot.
I know it's a lot, but it's gonna spread out.
That's so much.
Very nice.
That's so much.
Don't put your shirt in. You're gonna get sticky.
Can I dry off in the sun?
Well, there's not much sun right now, Baba, because it's winter time. It's gonna be rainy. I'm just gonna make it put it in the fan.
How would that be Christmas? How's the world? It's not sunny today. It's turning night in sun is coming out. Huh? What's not coming Christmas? You should get more. Because you didn't have much. Can I try it still?
You got it, but it's already done.
We're
We're gonna do a second coating. So it's almost done. We're done with the first coating. We're gonna do a second coating. A little bit.
What do we need to do?
You gotta wait for it to dry.
Can I try it out?
I'm putting some on the edge.
Can I try it out? This one
Sweet
try.
baby.
This one try. This
Don't touch it, don't touch
10
it.
tries. 10 tries. Why is that really sticky? Do this one too. Do these too. Do this too. This. Do this too. Do this bee stuff. Do actually the foot of it. The foot. So can I stand up? Can I try that foot?
No, there's this side. This side because the rain got in this side.
Okay. You got